Welcome to hybrids.co.nz, where we have so much fun with car electronics every day. Now it is about language conversion. Under normal driving conditions, people usually do not see many screen messages, but when something goes wrong and those weird messages pop up, you may panic. These two warning messages, for example, would pop up in Japanese and you wouldn't have a clue what they mean. Obviously, it's a good idea to convert your instrument cluster into preferred language. Thank you for watching. See ya!